Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. So guys, do you want to know about Epic Corp reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. Also, people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. Now we'll talk about the website, what kind of website this is and what kind of products does it offer to the customers. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with clothing products, equipment and tools. So if you're interested, then you have to visit their official site. So next, if you want to know about their payment method, go to the information and then click on payment method. So here they've given the payment options. You can pay through PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Amex and so on. Now let's check the shipping policy. So if you want to know about the shipping timing, go to the information, click on information and then go to shipping policy page section. So here they've given the shipping timing and the delivery timing. So the shipping timing is 1 to 3 working days and the delivery timing is 10 to 22 days under EMS Express. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now let's discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was first registered on 6th of October 2021 and it is going to expire on 6th of October 2022, which means it is a quite young website and hence it can't be trusted easily. So now if you want to know about their About Us details, go to the information and then check the About Us. But guys, when it comes to their About Us details, they haven't given their business establishment here or about their founder identity, which is a negative sign of this website. So now we are going to check the contact details. For that, you have to go to My Account and then click on Contact Us. So here, as you can see, they have provided their full contact details, but the physical address and the contact number seems very suspicious, so you can check this out. But the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. So now we'll talk about the social media presence of this website. So this website does not have any social media presence at all, which is a huge drawback of this site. Now let's check their return and refund policy. For that also you have to go to the information and then go to refund and return policy. So it hasn't mentioned here that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 30 days. And about the refund, they have said that once your refund have been approved, it will be processed to your original mode of payment within few days. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Epic Corp reviews, there are no single customer review of this website anywhere. And the trust score of this website is only 2% and the business trust ranking is only 27.8%, which is very low and poor. And the content quality also seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Epic Corp reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This website is very young. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, it seems like they haven't given their original contact details and trust score is very poor. So it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.